Right, hello. I look like this because I am filming it after I've done this whole video. So I have like the whole like hair done. I don't want to show you any spoilers, so that is why I'm wearing this. But I filmed an intro for this video and somehow it lost all the sound, so that is why I don't have an intro. So hello, my name's Emilee, I do makeup videos. I am doing a glow up because we're in quarantine right now and I look like this 99.9% of the time and I just feel ugly. So we're doing a glow up, we're doing like a 0 to 100 cutesy thing. Yeah, I'm going to be dyeing my hair, I'm going to be doing nails, I'm going to be, you know, just all around looking cuter, putting some makeup on, and yeah, so if you would like to see that, then carry on watching. So yeah, we're going to move on into my pretty background beauty room, looking a bit better than I do now, and do my eyebrows and all the glow up activities. So if you'd like to see that, then carry on watching. Please give the video a like and subscribe and give me a comment if you've done anything to glow up this quarantine, because this is the only thing I'm doing to glow up. Some people are doing Chloe Ting workouts. I'm just gonna pretend I look cute and catfish my way out of it, so yeah. Also, I will warn you, the footage for when I'm dyeing my hair, minorly boring because it was really late at night and I was just like on the edge of falling asleep. So if you'd like to skip that bit, then I'll add a time here to the makeup where I'm much more alive, so yeah. The next bit of the video actually lost the sound, so what I'm doing in this is I'm dyeing my eyebrows using the RefectoCil dye and like developing lotion in shade 3, which is the brown one, and I just put it on my eyebrows and let it sit for 10 minutes. That's about it. You just mix it up. I got it on Amazon, it's cruelty free, you know, that. So it's been 10 minutes, so I'm going to use a little bit of tissue to remove the eyebrow dye, and I'm just going to like wipe them off and hope for the best. There we go, I have eyebrows. And they actually just match my roots. It looks a bit crazy with the blonde, but I'm going to redo all the purple on the bottom of my hair because about 2 months ago I got my hair dyed purple on the ends and it's pretty much all gone. I did a test strand yesterday, if you can see that, and that's the colour we're going to be doing. So this is the Bleach London Bruised Violet colour. I'm just going to dump it out into a tub, use a makeup brush to apply it because I don't have a tinting brush at the moment, and I'm going to use a box as my flat surface to paint it. I tried another strand using the Laurish Directions Lilac colour, but it didn't really do much and it was just really like cool toned. So I'm going to save that for when I ever want to do a whole head of lilac or something, but it's not really what I'm going for at the moment. So yeah, I'm going to use the Bleach London one. So yeah, I'm just going to section off my hair into maybe like thirds. So yeah, I'm just going to dump the dye out into the tub. I don't have a full bottle, so I'm just going to do it in bits because I don't know how much I'm going to need. So start with this much, and I'm just going to start by taking chunks of my hair, spritzing it with some water. I'm going to lay it flat on this box so that I've got like a nice flat surface to paint on, and then I'm just going to start painting onto the hair. I also just have a spare brush here to like disperse the product out. And then I'm just going to flip that over so you make sure you get both sides of the hair, because that would be weird if you didn't. And on a few strands I'm going to like bring it up further, but only in like little bits. So yeah, I'm just going to do this on my whole head and listen to some music or watch Raw Beauty Christie. And I'm currently watching Make Me Up Miss Her, and she just uploaded a doing like swatching purples and pinks video, so it's kind of good timing. I'm going to be matching her video. so all the dye is on. I've done like the front two pieces higher up than the rest. I was considering doing my entire head, but I didn't. So yeah, just gonna let this sit, and then I'm gonna go and wash it out and blow dry it, and we'll see how it looks, and hopefully it doesn't look terrible. We can hope. If it does, I'll just do the entire head. Okay, so I've rinsed out all the purple, washed my hair. I used some purple shampoo on the top to tone the blonde a bit more grey, because I did have like this kind of colour hair a couple of months ago in the salon, with like grey at the top and then like pinky purple at the bottom. I just didn't film it because I wasn't there for like 2 months. But yeah, so I'm just going to section it off and blow dry my hair. This is the Babyliss Big Hair tool. It's the 2-in-1 one. So this is like the bigger barrel that it comes with, and it's basically just a blow dryer, and the air comes out of this and it spins, and it's basically just like an at-home blowout type of thing. So yeah, this is my hair. It's all blow dried. I really like it. I think I did a good job. I wish I had more of like a silver toner, like an actual silver toner for this bit, but other than that, I think it looks good considering I did it myself. I love a blow dry. Like this thing, honestly, if you don't have one, you need to buy one, because I mean, it's the best. I mean, that is literally just from blow drying your hair. So yeah, let's move on to whatever's next at this current moment in time. Okay, so it's another day. My hair has definitely faded a bit because I've washed it twice now, I think. I've washed it twice, and I also bleached the top bit of my hair and put a bit of pink through it. So yeah, but I've put on some actual clothes. I'm channeling my inner Carol Baskin because I've been watching Tiger King, like absolutely everyone in this quarantine. And oh my god, if you haven't watched it, you need to watch it, and if you have watched it, please discuss it with me in the comments. I would love to know your opinions. But yeah, so oh, as if my battery's dying. So yeah, I have my hair done and I have an outfit on. I've been sat in the sun for the past week, so my skin is getting a bit of a tan. It's also cleared up my, you know, all my spots that I had. I've also been using this face brush I got on Amazon. It's basically like a Foreo, like silicone face brush, but it was £15, so I'll definitely link it down below. I bought one for everyone in my family because I just thought it was incredible. And it's just basically like one of these vibrating face brushes that you just click it on and off. You can like change how it is, you know. It's great. £15. It's got the more like textured side for like more deep cleaning. It's got the normal side, you know. It's a really good product. I bought it myself. I didn't get paid for it. I wanted a Foreo and I cannot justify spending £139, I think they are. So yeah, you charge it at the back. It's wireless. I've had it for about 2 months now and it hasn't needed charging yet. So yeah, this has been really good for my skin, as well as being in the sun, because if you watched my last video, you will know I've been struggling with my skin a lot recently, but being in the sun and then using this has really helped. Another thing that has been helping my skin for this nice little like glow up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It's a really weird consistency. It's like really greasy, but it like absorbs into the skin really quickly. And I have like really oily skin, so if it absorbs into my skin, then you're good. But yeah, it's like a really pretty colour as well. But yeah, it smells really good and it just works. I got this in my Mitchell box and I didn't use it in that video because it's a mask, but mini review on it, it's really good and oh, it smells great. So yeah, in this bit we're going to be doing some makeup, and I'm also going to be putting some fake nails on because I have little boy hands. I did have, like, my nails were all grown out and my nails were like the length of acrylic nails, but my natural nails. But I just hate painting my own nails. I would rather just stick on some fake nails. I ordered a load from Nailed It by Chelsea, but they haven't come yet because she's got like thousands of orders. I think she had like 2 months worth of orders placed in one day, and she like hand paints like stick-on nails, which is incredible. But yeah, go and check her out if you haven't, but they're coming in the future, so you'll see them in future videos. But I'm just going to stick on some Primark ones that I've got in my drawer. If you know me, if you watch my videos, you know I I really like these nails. So yeah, I'm going to stick some of these on. These are the French Gloss Shimmer Frenchie. These are my go-tos. They're just classic. They're like really basic. They look cute and they make your hands look less little boyish. So yeah, I'm going to glue some of these on. Okay, so I've got my nails on. As you can see, my hands look a lot better now. I did trim them down a tiny bit because I can't function with extremely long nails, but like this long is my ideal length. I'm just going to put my rings on. I've got a Pandora ring that I wear all the time, and then just this little ring from Miss Selfridge. I just like to have one on each middle finger. They're rose gold. They match my rose gold necklace that says Emilee on it, which I get a lot of questions about this. I got this from AliExpress. It's like £5. It just has my name on it, but yeah. So I'm going to do that like foxy eye trend makeup that's going around. I just think it looks really good. My favourite type of makeup is that look. I've been doing that look for about 3 years. That's my go-to look if I'm going actually to leave my house to like go out somewhere. So yeah, that is just my go-to look anyway, so I'm just going to do it. I recently shaved like some of the end of my eyebrow off, so it's more like lifted, because I used to have my brows like that, and I was looking back at old photos and they just looked so much better. So I did that again, and I do think it looks so much better on my eye shape. Personally, I had like a really big bushy brow moment last year, and it just wasn't a look. Like, it just was not cute. But yeah, I'm trying to find my eyebrow brush, so I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm going to do them in a lighter shade than usual, just so they don't look too harsh, and I'm just going to start filling them in the middle. And I'm going to make sure the tail kind of swoops up more than, say, usual. I did tint these about a week ago, so they're not like super tinted anymore, because I have been using this brush, which like obviously removes the tint quicker. But they are still sort of tinted from when I did my little tint the other day. I was planning on filming all this video in like 24 hours, but then the sun came out and I just wanted to lay in the sun, I'm not going to lie. Okay, so I've carved out my brows and I've like brushed them up. I just use hairspray. I know this brand isn't cruelty free, but I've had this for like a year now and I've still got like half the can, so that's why it's like £1. Use any cruelty free hairspray you have, and I just use like a little spoolie brush and just do it like you would use like brow gel, soap brows. I really want to try soap brows, but then I just kind of think, well, hairspray does the same thing for me, so I might as well just stick with it. But yeah, so I've brushed them up, set them in place, carved them out with some concealer. I just used the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate C3. I'm using a lighter shade than I usually would. I'm usually C6, especially because I've got a tan right now. C6 is probably even too light for me. But yeah, I am going to head on to doing the eyes. I've put some of the concealer over my lids as well. And for the eyes, I'm just going to use my Melt Gemini palette. This is my favourite palette at the moment. I am just absolutely in love with it. So thank you, Lisa, again for sending me this, because I'm obsessed and I would not be able to afford this myself. Nor would I be able to like just justify splurging on it, but it is so beautiful. I love these kind of colours. The greens, I really want to do like a really deep green smoky eye type thing with like a spotlight. So let me know if you want to see that. But yeah, I'm going to use mainly like these colours here with the browns, and I'm going to do like a smoky wing. If you've watched my videos recently, then you will know I love a good smoky wing. So yeah, I'm going to put some tape down in this kind of like wing shape. As you know, I put tape down to like get a really precise line. I left my tape downstairs because I've been painting my mirror cow print, so I needed to use some masking tape to like keep it in place. I'm going to go get my tape and then I'll be right back. Okay, so do I look a bit crazy? Yes. But I'm going to go in with a mixture of Cupcake, Bonnie and probably Luna, which is this one, and the black and the dark brown. And I'm just going to smoke them, like starting on the outer bit with the black, just to make like a nice smoky wing. And I'm going to put a bit of Luna just through the crease. And yeah, kind of creating that like really like almond eye, kind of like tiger eye shaped look that I really like. I've liked that shape for years, but it's like a really big trend right now. So yeah, I always like to use tape. It just gives me a really easy, quick look. So I'm going to go in with Cupcake, which is the brown colour, on a Morphe M506. And I'm just going to start by working this along the tape. Just to start the wing shape. And I'm going to use like really, really light pressure just to blend that up and into the concealer so we keep the smoky wing kind of look. Okay, so I'm just going to take the tape off, and as you can see you've got that really nice sharp lifted eye look. I just love it. Obviously you can clean it up with concealer if it's not perfect, but yeah, I'm going to go and do like a nice flawless base routine. I'll list all the products I use down below, and I'm going to be uploading a like flawless base routine soon. But yeah, I'm really impressed. Like at the moment my skin is so much better than usual. As you can see I got a few little freckles in the sun, but yeah, other than like the bits of texture on my forehead and a few bits of like scarring on my chin, my skin has been really good at the moment, touch wood, which I'm really enjoying. So yeah, I'm going to go and put this on and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Okay, so that is the look complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're all doing well in quarantine. If you're not, feel free to drop me a message on Instagram or I don't know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you come back for the next video. I'm planning on doing like a testing TikTok hacks kind of thing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you all next week.